toes over the edge, and then you go. Like, you have to like be in the diving position and put your hand out like this to break your water. But they can tell them there.
Talk me through it. Oh my goodness, Kate is gonna be.
Okay. Sorry. This is disgusting.
Oh, I smell that too. Thank you.
Like I closed my eyes, like I saw like myself jump, and then I closed my eyes. And I was like, wait a minute,
Breathe again.
and
Yeah.
you just like kind of
Three, we
spin
have to
around.
all yell over here.
Yeah, everyone's.
Scuba divers.
Mother Goose! Mother Goose! Mother Goose! Mother Goose!
Where's Mother Goose?
I don't know. Chase. Chase. I don't know. Oh, no, it's Kate. Oh, my goodness, that's Kate. That's Kate Blast. Oh, my goodness. Kate Blast. Oh, my word, she's amazing. I thought it was Chase. It's Kate. Oh, my goodness.
Screaming goat.
They do give you a choice, but everyone like says that. It's so much fun. Like, you get, I don't know, it's just so, because you have to like dive off and stuff. It's so much fun.
Way to go, Kate.
Even sis, I'll just step aside.
My mind is foggy.
And it doesn't hurt at all.